Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and usually I'm in the kitchen, but today I want to share with you all about Wagner Farms. They're a 4th-generation family farming business, so let's get on to the video. Wagner Farms was founded in 1910 and has been harvesting over 100 years. Here in this photo is my great-grandfather Augustine II and my great-grandmother Trinidad Wagner. This photo was on their wedding day in 1920. In October of 1910, Augustine bought the original 55 acres in Corrales that became Wagner Farms. Here in this photo are the Wagner children in the 1930s. Starting on the left is my Aunt Eva, my Grandma Adela, Aunt Mary, and my Uncle Gus. Here is my Aunt Arlene and Uncle Gus Wagner. He kept the family farming business going at the age of 22 after his father passed away. Right here, my daughter is showing you all that they have several types of apples. And right here is a glimpse of their apple orchard. They have the sweetest watermelon.
Hi, I'm Anthony Wagner, Wagner Farms. We're out at our farm today. We've been farming here in Corrales for over 100 years, raising green chili, sweet corn, fruits, melons, and right now is the time to come and get your roasting done. We're right in the middle of the season, about ready to transition into the pumpkins and all that now at the beginning of October, and so now's your time to come out. Thank you.
They specialize in red and green chili at all degrees of heat. Right here you can see my cousin Roman Wagner roasting 2 sacks of green chili. My baby girl is enjoying picking out her pumpkin. Here is my baby girl enjoying her time with her Aunt Arlene Wagner. Wagner Farms is only open seasonal, from July to November, and they are located in Corrales, New Mexico. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys get a chance to visit Wagner Farms, and I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!